Alright students, for this week we're going to be making two parts, part C and D. Let's take a look here at what part C is going to look like. And in part C, here is going to be again that link to the drawing. Here's going to be what part C looks like as a completed part. Just let you get a look at that. So that's what it will be as a completed part. And then here's what it will look like as a drawing. So again, we're on this same 15 millimeter cube is what we're going for, and we're going to start right here with this view, and we're just going to sketch this out as large as we can. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Let's start our sketch. We're going to sketch on the top plane. We're going to face to the top, and we're going to take our line, and once again I am in inches, so I'm right off the bat going to change my workspace units and make sure I am in millimeters and grams, accepting that. And this sketch here, we can just delete it, start over. So sketch this top plane again, and we're sketching out, this is going to be 45 by 30 by 15 by 15 by 30 and closing that shape. So I believe that's what that looks like. Let's make sure. So yes, we got this general shape sketched out. So let's come in here and start smart dimensioning this. This one needed to be at 45, 30, this is at 15, along with this one here at 15. We'll pull that to 30, which is correct. This one here should be at 15, which it is. This one will need to set to 15, and then it's just looking for a distance here to 15, and now that is fully dimensioned. Now we could start extruding this and then cut that hole, but we're just going to put our hole in right here in the center point right now. So it's going to give us our lines this time because we are in the center. So I'm just going to lock on there to the center, drag that out, and dimension that out to 12 like we have for everything else. Now we are going to extrude that out to depth of 15, and we're going to come in here and we're going to make new material, and we're going to accept that. So we are almost done with our part in our first sketch. So now all we need to do is make this little block right here, this block that comes out. So we're going to tell it we want to sketch again, select this as our plane, and I'm going to just come right in here and draw our block out, and then smart dimension that. That's already at 15 there, and now we just need to set the height here to 15, and we are good. So next we need to extrude that out. We are adding material to depth of 15, and we want it to merge with the part underneath it. Select that. Right there, our part is done. So next we need to add a material. So we're going to click on our part 1, select that whole material, assign material. We're sticking with that 1060 alloy, 1060 aluminum, accept that. Check our mass here. It's 68.32 right here. Confirm that. That is a material alloy, 68.32. Just like that, our part is complete. Again, you'd come in here to share, go into the link sharing, turn on that link share, copy to clipboard. Right here, when you're sharing it with me, if you would just be able to export that as well, that'd be great. So I can work with it if I need to. And once it's copied to the clipboard, go ahead in here and turn it in here at Part C. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Now on to Part D.